Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be opening some Lego, because we can. And my little brother is right beside me, helping me out with the Lego opening part. As you can see, we got the Daily Bugle Lego Marvel set, which is based around Spiderman if you haven't watched the movie. Or if you haven't played the game Lego Marvel Spiderman, or just Spiderman. Anyways, I'm just gonna open this up, and we have number 14, 16, which is filled with epic parts and whatever that was. Number 10, we have number 12, we have number 11, we have number 16, we have number 12, we have number 11, we have number 15, we have number 14, we have number 15, and 13, and 13 again, and 10. Now we're gonna do the second box, which is in the Marvel thing. You got the book for instructions with stickers and stuff, like Spider-Man. And yeah. So here we have the bag with the accessories and stuff, like Spider-Man's webs. And then we have the packet number 4 with gray and green stuff. Looks quite nice. And then we have number 8. And here we have number 5 with the Bumblebee scheme. Quite nice. Now here we have number 5 yet again, because yeah, that's Lego. And then we have number 1 with green parts. Pretty sure there's another one, number 1 with transparent parts. I don't know. Anywho, we got number 4. Come on, show it up. Come on. Come on. Number 4. Ding ding ding. Come on, please, hurry, please. Okay, and now we have number 3, which is very epic. Also, guys, disclaimer, this is my first time doing a voiceover, so please don't judge me if I'm delayed. And here is number 8. Put that bracket right there. And here is number 6, or 9, looks like 6 to me. And now we have number 7 with transparent parts. Thought that was 1. Could have sworn that was 1. And now we have another bag, which is number 4, which looks even more epic with high quality Lego, which is plastic and bricks. Yeah. We have number 8. Put that backwards. And gave it over to my brother yet again. I have another number, which is number 2. Very nice. Fairly nice. And then here we have number 1. Another number 1 with more parts. And we have number 3. And the number 7. And a number 2. And a number 9. No, wait, no, that's number 6. And threw that right over to my brother. And then we have this one, which is the Lego Friends set. Just gonna open that real quick. Don't want to hurt myself with the scissors. Stabbing yourself is not the best way to hurt yourself. Might as well just like trip or something. Not stab yourself. Anyways, I'm gonna eat the box down in 3, 2, 1. Haha, see, magic. And now we can see my little brother being as cute as ever, just doing the thing. Disclaimer, I was singing a random weird song which had that beat to it, so yeah. We have number 4. number 7. And the random one was the boat. And then we have another number, which is number 9. Ba-dum-ba-boom. And then we have number 5. Ba-dum-ba-boom. And then we have number 10. Ba-dum-ba-boom. And then we have a number 10 right there. Yay. And then we have number 8 with cool stuff in it. We have number 2 or something, couldn't see properly for that one, and another number 2. And then we have number 14 with blue parts, which is epic. And number 14 again, or something, I don't know. And we got number 11, which is purple parts. And here is another number which I cannot see right now, 13. And we got another number, which is number 6. And here we have number 15. And the Book of Awesomeness. Anyways, guys, I'll be posting updates once I finish the Lego. So, yeah. Thank you for watching this fairly epic video, and goodbye.